guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I got a fidget cube from in the mail. So today we are going to be unboxing it, and it's a little box quick. So let's open it. I'm just gonna use my knife, cut it. If I can cut it, because I'm weak. Well, that's not right. Okay, fine. Here it is. Fidget cube. So let's open it. There's that. And so it came in this box. Fidget cube, work class home. So there it is. And then top fidget cube, bottom plain. So let me open it. I got a camo version, and here it is. So this is like really cool. Sorry. So here we have, there's 6 sides. First is the, I don't know if this is roll, I guess. Spin. You just do this. It's really cool. Then here's, I forgot what this one is, but there's that. It's really fun and really fun to play with. And this is the breeze. You just put your thumb on it and it should relieve stress, I guess. Here's the roll, I think. You spin these. And this don't have the clicking noise. This isn't really satisfying. So, and the ball is like really stiff, kind of, but it's fine. Then it can click. And so these are the dices. Click. You just click them. These are the 2 silent ones. And these middle ones are the clicky ones. So these are like one of my favorites.